Ang pupuntahan natin, Schengen country is... Let's go to Vienna, Austria. Okay, so it's about 2,586 round trip flight via Ryanair. So this is from January 29 to February 4. So let's see. Check tayo ng hotel to Vienna. Tama? Vienna? Vienna, Austria. Uy, Vienna. Vienna, Austria. 29. So, 5 nights. So, gawin natin siyang 4. Okay? January 29 to 4. 6 nights. 2 adults, 2 children pa rin. Yung children natin is 8 years old and 10 years old. Of course, we need breakfast. Daily breakfast. Basta ang reviews niya, 9 out of 10. Somerset, Vienna, 4-star hotel. And again, don't forget to click the link below. The travel deals, my affiliate link from trip.com. So this is available for all nationalities. So kung gusto nyong ibahin yung ating currency, we have Philippines, we have USD, we have Canadian dollar and euro. So it's up to you. But right now, we're using Philippine currency. Okay, let's go back. Let's see, this Vienna Central Station too. So Hilton again. Have Hilton. Clarion Hotel. Trend Park Hotel, Schönbrunn, Vienna, Austria. Weekend Hotel. Little Vienna Plaza. South Vienna. Ito, Mercury Grand Hotel, Bittermere. Four-star Superior near Vienna. Vienna Central Station. Ito, Austria Center. Ito, okay siya, Melia, Vienna. So, pag nagtutour kayo sa Europe, i-experience nyo na lahat, pati yung hotel. So, yeah. Additional luxury, spoil yourself to enjoy your money with your family. So, you're creating a lasting memories, no? So, yeah, this is 8.9, 8.9. 5-star hotel, 4-star hotel. Vienna Central Station. Bellevue, Mercury, Austria Trend. Ito near Hotel Central Station. Hotels Coast, Winnipeg. Hotel Astoria. Ito, 5-star hotel. Six nights na. 6 nights. Like 29,000 pala siya. Ito meron din 56. Vienna City Center, pero 3-star hotel lang yan. So, kapag nagbubook po tayo ng hotel sa Europe, again, 4-star hotel or 5-star hotel po ang pipiliin po natin. Ito, 4-star hotel pero 47,000 lang. Let's see kung okay ito. Radisson Blu. Vienna City Center din siya. Acrotel. Vienna. Red Hotel Bossing Wayne. Ngayon, kung medyo tamad-tamad naman kayong maghanap dito sa aming affiliate link, kung magpapabo kayo sa amin, we're going to use our travel agency uh, access po. Pero hindi ito kasi ito, we don't know yung ano nito. Kasi pag ginamit namin yung affiliate link namin sa sarili namin, so hindi siya counted. Hindi kami magkakaroon ng points. I don't know, hindi ko rin sure kung magkakaroon din siya ng discount. So, wow, Park Hyatt. Let's see. Let's see this. Okay, let's check na. Wow, napaka-grandiosa naman ito. Very regal. Dami. So, let's see the rooms. Two bed. Oh, wow, two-bedroom suite. 893,000. Wow. This is 120 square meter. Wow. May bathtub. Ito naman 3-bedroom, 1.8 million. Ito naman penthouse, 5 million. Wow, 5 million for 6 nights. 1 million per 1.2 million per night. OMG. Twin bedrooms. Pangalan. Park Hyatt Vienna. Okay, alam niyo na. Kung saan kayo magbubook ng 5 million room penthouse suite sa Vienna. Sa Park Hyatt Vienna. 5 million. Okay, next. Let's go to Radisson Blue. 138,000. Ito, na-click na natin to. City Wing Schönbrunn. Yan. Wow, nice. Ang ganda. Nice. Ito, family quadruple. 1 bedroom, 2 single bed. Ito, okay to. May single bed tapos may studio. May study. May 28 square meter. May study room pa. Studying. 47,000 may breakfast. Okay, family quad room. Say, Ybor City. Okay, let's do this. So, ang hotel natin is 47,000. 535. Family quadruple. Family quad. One bedroom. Family quad. One bedroom. Okay. That's 47,000. Nasabi ko yun. Sulat ko ba yung ano? Ayan. Best price. With breakfast. Ay, shucks. Sorry. Ay, no, kasi. So, yan. With breakfast na yan, ah. With breakfast na siya. Junior classic room, double bed. Double bed. Okay, next. Radisson Blue is 178. And kunwari, kasi 4-star din naman to eh. Diba? Si Ibren. Radisson Blue Style Hotel Vienna. May experience yun talaga yung luxury, no? This is family room. 45 square meter. Then, sofa. Bed lang siya. Wala siyang superior room. Okay. Austria Trendopian. Junior suite. One king bed or two single beds. Again. Wawa naman yung mga kids kung di makahiga ng maayos. Ito meron siyang PWD room. Junior suite with garden view. Let's see. Wala naman eh. Suite. King bed lang to. One king bed, sofa bed loft. Hmm. Di pa namin na-try mag-sofa bed sa hotel. Lagi kaming naka-family room kapag 4 people or connecting room kapag may kids. So, yeah. Mas maganda kung ganun. Kasi hirap parang sofa bed. I'm not sure. Sa bagay kasi maliit naman sila yung mga kids. Kasya naman sila dun. Pero maganda talaga, naka-single bed sila. Kesa sofa bed. Let's see, family room, two single or sofa bed. Double bed, double bed. Melia Brain. Ito 5-star pero 382. Melia Vienna. Modern class. Modern class hotel. Yung rooms overlooking sa yung view. Ang ganda. Wow. City view. Wow, nice. Wow, ang sarap nito. Breakfast. Okay. Vienna. 10-minute drive. Safety. 5-star hotel. Grab the bite. Eat. Restaurant. So may restaurant sila. Master Suite, one king bed. Ang queen bed lang, Riverview. Wala naman yung kids. Presidential Suite 971. Ah, deluxe room. Deluxe room. Oh, kailangan connecting room. Connecting room. This is no modern room din siya. Oh. Wow, nice. Classy. Classy din yung room niya. This is Austria Trend, 4-star hotel. Junior suite, two single bed suite. Sofa bed, double bed, single. Ayaw ko niyan. Dapat kailangan family room, family room. Yeah. So, vintage vibes. Breakfast for Biedermeier Suite ba? Iba siya. 45 square meter. Yung laki ng ano niya. Malaki yung room. Ah, may loft type po. Single. Si South Vienna. Yung 4-star hotel. Deluxe studio. Studio. Wine. Renaissance wine. 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 Ang sarap talaga pag may breakfast. Kasi sulit sa breakfast buffet. Premium suite. One king bed, one sofa bed. Standard king. Okay. Hilton Vienna. Wow! 277,000 lang. Oh. Lang? Ganda 5-star hotel. Ah. Wow, ito. Two king beds. Two king beds. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Ito gusto ko to. Penthouse, 400,000. Presidential suite, 465,000. Weekend hotel. Ito, family room, 101,000. Two single bed, one sofa bed, one double bed. Ay, ganun din siya. Ah, ito magandang sofa bed, oh. Ganda siya. Okay naman pala. Pero family room, randomly assigned, junior suite. Ay ko, classic single. Okay, next, Clarion Hotel South. Ang ganda, oh, Clarion. Oh, sarap. Ah, ito connecting room. Ito yung gusto ko. May connecting room siya. One queen bed, one small bed. Ito, kasya sila dito, 20 square meter connecting room. 70,000. Ang kanina kuha natin kanina is 37,000 lang. Ay, Family quad, one bedroom, big breakfast na siya. Twin. Okay, Hilton Vienna Park. Ang ganda naman ito. Wow, ang ganda. Ito, family connecting din siya. One king bed and two single beds. Ito, maganda. 174. Stay free children, 174. One queen bed, two single beds. So, okay siya, of course. Five-star hotel, 174. Compare din sa nakuha nating Iberian. Check na uli natin, Iberian. Sino ba yung Iberian na yun? Kanina. Iberian. Four-star hotel din siya. Diba? Family rooms. Business. Ayan. Family quadroom. One bedroom. 28 square meter. Need breakfast. Family, two single bed naman. So, parang one king. Ito na lang. Hilton. Si Hilton na lang palta natin. Five-star hotel. With breakfast. With breakfast. That's 174. 170. 174. 116 with breakfast. Hilton Vienna. Hilton Vienna with breakfast. Family connecting room. Family connecting. Family connecting. Breakfast na siya. Kasi children stay for free naman. Okay, may napili na tayo. Ang ganda. Ang dami no. So, 2 minutes lang siya station wide. 16 minutes airport. City Park walkable to the main attractions. So, landmark, City Park, Monument, Queen Museum. Malapit lang. So, pwede mo siyang lakarin, no? Itong mga landmarks and attractions. Tapos, malapit lang din yung mga shopping center. So, this is great for a five-star hotel. So, this one. Since may napili na tayo, close na natin ito. Okay. Okay, let's go na sa tours and attractions. Okay, let's go tours and attractions. Vienna. Vienna. Austria. Let's search. Excited na ba kayo? Vienna. Vienna, Austria. Golden Hole. What's this? Let's see. What's that? Scroll Palace. Schönbrunn Palace. Contest History. Wala ba dito yung mga private tour? Hallstatt Day Trip. Ito, maganda to. Vienna sightseeing. Huwag na yan. Huwag na kayo maganyan. Ito, Vienna, Budapest, Bratislava. Pwede natin i-add since 6 nights naman tayo. Ito, Salzburg, House Lake. Alps Lake Day Trip. Skip the line. See you. Off from Garden Tour. Vienna Opera. Day Trip. Boat ride option. Swarovski House Tour with champagne gift. Natin. Classic concert. Kung mahilig ba kayo sa concert? Ako medyo lang. Medyo lang. Pwede kong i-consider yan. Pero, syempre may kids tayo kasama. Kung hindi naman mahilig sa music ang ating mga kids, baka hindi nila ma-appreciate. Pwede naman, para ma-open naman sila sa ganun. Ito, 9-hour English tour. Budapest to capitals. Ano tong orangery na to? Ito, small group day tour. Let's see. Golden Hole. Ayan. Fix na natin yan. Yung tayo sa sure. So na to. Ito na lang. Museum. Mag-museum ba tayo? Okay. Ayan. Dito na lang tayo sa boat ride tour. So it's 6. So we said no boat. Yan. Ito. This. And this. So 8 o'clock yan. That's 27,000 for 4. 27,000 tour. Okay, next. Vienna, Budapest, two capitals. Let's say, kunwari lang yung ating select date. Vienna, Budapest, Bratislava. Vienna, Hallstatt. Let's do. Okay, let's see. Swarovski tour with champagne and gift. Gusto mo ba to? Yes, gusto ko yan. Okay. Pwede naman natin itong kasi 30 to 45 minutes lang naman to. Danube River, what you see. Dalawa, two. So, this one, the romantic Danube, which Valley Tour, 9 hours, including Milk Abbey admission. Add natin to. Okay. Garden pala to. Ganda. So, that's 3,791. Take a small group day trip. So, it's 52. Salzburg and Lake Region. Okay, add natin siya. So we have 246. 246 tour. Okay lang. Na tours. For ang hotel with breakfast natin. Family room. Connecting room siya. So we have 6 nights and 7 days. And total will be for the rest of the 27,503, including the tours, 30,646.84 plus, bakit doble itong 30,000 natin? Doble yata itong nakuha natin. Tagalin natin yan. Plus 4301.31. So we have 5 tour. 22976 plus 52822.40. So that's the total would be 312,366.93 for 4 bucks divided by 4. That's 78,091.73. So, lunch, dinner, hindi pa po kasama dyan. Tsaka yung airfare, tsaka yung airport transport. So, hotel with breakfast, tsaka tours lang po ito. Okay? Kung may mga questions po kayo or may request po kayo o kaya gusto nyo magpa quotation sa amin. Again, we're using our travel agency account, not this po. Hindi po trip.com. Kasi this trip.com is readily available po. Ay, sorry. For sa aming mga ano. Ito, para po yan sa inyo po, sa V2C, direct travelers po. So, this is available for all nationalities. And again, you can adjust or change the schedule whenever you want, wherever you want. And the currency, you can adjust it according to your um, specification. So, thank you very much for joining me today and watching my um, paano natin ginagawa itong travel planning natin. So, until our next destination po dito sa Europe. Thank you for watching and please share this video sa mga friends nyo or sa family nyo. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye.